Finding LR of one items in a parser is an important step for solving CLR and LALR parser problem. LR of one items are nothing but after finding the LR of 0 items, add the necessary look ahead symbol in the appropriate productions. These look ahead symbols help to guide how to apply a reduce operations in a appropriate place in a parsing table. In this video, I am going to explain how to find LR of one items in these four different examples. In the first example, first I add the dot symbol in the starting non-terminal capital S. And here I am going to write the look ahead symbol. Look ahead is nothing but follow of this non-terminal. Capital S is starting non-terminal, so I add the dollar symbol as the following element. Here, after the dot, capital S is there, so I write this production here with dot operator. Now I am going to find the look ahead symbols in this place. This production can be formed from this capital S. So I should write the follow of this capital S in this place. Follow element is nothing but next element of this particular non-terminal. If the next element is terminal, we should add that terminal here. If the next element is non-terminal, we should add the first of that non-terminal here. If there is no element, we just copy the previous symbols into this place. So in this case, there is no element after the capital S. So I add dollar symbol here. So second line is over. In this production, after the dot, capital C is there. So I write these two productions with dot operator. And I am going to find the new look ahead symbol here. This production rule can be formed from this capital C. So I should write the follow of this capital C here. The next element is non-terminal. If it is the non-terminal, I should add the first of that non-terminal as the look ahead symbol. The first of capital C is A and D. So I write A and D as the look ahead symbol in this place. The last production also formed from this capital C. So the follow of the capital C is A and D. So I write here. So in this way, you should find the LR of one items for the given grammar. So you should follow this rule to find LR of one items. In the second example, first I add the dot in the starting symbol capital E. Capital E is the starting symbol, so I add dollar here. After the dot, capital E is there, so I write these two productions here. This production can be formed from this capital E. There is no next element, so I write dollar here. Then after the dot, capital E is there, so I write these two productions again, and I need to find the new look ahead symbol. These two productions can be formed from this capital E. The follow element is plus. Plus is the terminal, so I add plus symbol here. For this, there is no need to write this capital E again and again. Instead, you can append this look ahead symbol into this same place. So I add these two elements in these productions. Then go to the third line. After the dot, capital T is there, so I write these two productions here with dot operator. These two productions can be formed from this capital T. Here there is no next element, so these two elements can be added as look ahead symbol here. For this resultant production, after the dot, capital T is there, so I write these two rules again and need to find the new look ahead. These two productions can be formed from this capital T. The follow of this capital T is star symbol, so this star symbol can be had here. Already T productions are there, so I combined these symbols into this existing set. And in this rule, after the dot, capital F is there, so I write these two rules here with dot operator. These two rules can be formed from this capital F. The following elements are dollar, plus and asterisk symbol. So this is the LR of one items for this grammar. So in this example, first I add the dot in the starting symbol capital S and add the dollar symbol as the following element of capital S. After the dot, capital S is there, so I write these two productions here with dot operator. These two productions are formed from this capital S. There is no next element, so the follow element is dollar symbol, so I add dollar symbol here. After the dot, there is no non-terminal, so this process is completed. In the last example, I add the dot at the starting symbol of capital S. Add the dollar symbol as the follow element. After the dot, capital S is there, so I write these two rules here with dot symbol. These two rules can be formed from this capital S, so the follow of capital S is the look ahead symbol for these two productions. There is no next symbol, so dollar symbol is the following element. So I add dollar symbol as look ahead in these two productions. Here after the dot capital L is there, so I write these two productions here with dot operator. These two productions can be formed from this capital L. The following element is equal to symbol, so I add equal to symbol in these two productions as look ahead. And these two productions after the dot there is no non-terminal, but in this case after the dot capital R is there, so I write the last productions here with dot symbol. These productions can be formed from this capital R. The following elements are nothing, so I add dollar symbol here. After the dot capital L is there, so I write these two productions again and find the new look ahead symbol. These two productions can be formed from this capital L. The follow element is dollar symbol. These two productions already written, so I add the dollar symbol in this place. So in this way you can find LR of one items for any given grammar. This can be helpful to solve the CLR as well as LALR parser problems.